Tom Yum Goong Thai hot sour soup. Ingredients: 8 cups chicken stock, unsalted, homemade or store-bought. 2 stalks lemongrass, or 3 smaller stalks. 4 inches galangal, peeled and thinly sliced. 6 lime leaves, also known as kaffir leaves, rinsed. 1 shallot, peeled. 1 pound straw mushrooms, or white button, or oyster mushrooms, cut into bite-size pieces. 1 Tbsp chili jam, homemade or store-bought, plus more to taste. A 1/4 cup fish sauce, plus more to taste. 3 dried red chiles, broken in half and seeds reserved. 1 pound shrimp, peeled and deveined, with heads and tails intact if desired. 4 Tbsp lime juice, plus more to taste. A 1/4 bunch fresh cilantro leaves, finely chopped. 4 fresh bird's eye chilies, stemmed and bruised, seeded and deveined for less heat, whole or sliced on the diagonal. 4 lime leaves, optional, but they look good in a bowl, not to be eaten. 4 cilantro twigs, optional, 1 twig per bowl. Directions: prepare the lemongrass stalks by trimming off leafy parts and the root end, and removing the tough outer layers of the bulb. Cut the bulb portions into 3-inch pieces and smash them with a cast iron pan or the blunt edge of a heavy knife until they are bruised and, almost, split in half. If they split, it's fine. Cut the shallot in half and smash with cast iron pan, until it's bruised and juices start running. Smash the lime leaves with a heavy object to get them bruised and aromatic. In a medium saucepan, bring the stock to a boil. Add the lemongrass, galangal, lime leaves, and the shallot. Turn down the heat to medium, and let the broth infuse for 5 minutes. Using a perforated spoon, remove the lemongrass, galangal, lime leaves and the shallot. Turn the heat to high again and bring the broth to a boil. Stir in the chili jam, then add the mushrooms. Boil for 1 minute. Add the fish sauce, dried red chilies and the shrimp, and cook until the shrimp are pink, opaque, and firm, no more than 1 minute. Remove from heat. Stir in the lime juice. Taste for seasoning and correct if needed, by adding more fish sauce, lime juice and chili jam. You should taste the sour notes first, then salty, with mild sweetness from the chili jam. Stir in the chopped cilantro, ladle into bowls, garnish with fresh Thai chilies, whole or sliced, as well as the optional cilantro twig and lime leaf per bowl, and serve hot.